How do I use library databases? Are you wondering how to make the most of library databases for your studies? You're not alone. Many students find these resources to be a game changer for their research. Let's break down how you can effectively use library databases to enhance your study habits and develop a solid study routine. First, library databases are specialized online tools that help you find credible information. This includes journal articles, magazines, newspapers, books, and multimedia content. Using these databases can save you time and improve the quality of your research. To get started, identify the right database for your topic. Most libraries provide a list or an AZ index of databases organized by subject area. This makes it easier for you to select a database that matches your field of study or assignment requirements. For example, if you are working on a biology topic, look for a science database. If your focus is on literature, choose a literature database. Next, plan your search by mapping out your topic. Identify key terms or keywords that relate to your subject. This preparation helps you use precise search terms and avoid irrelevant results. Library databases allow you to search not only by keywords but also by specific fields such as author, title, subject, or publication date. This targeted approach is more effective than a simple internet search. Utilize advanced search techniques like Boolean operators. These are words like and, or, and not that help you combine or exclude terms. For instance, searching climate change and policy will find articles that contain both terms. On the other hand, climate change not policy will exclude articles about policy. Most databases also allow you to filter results by date, type of material, and peer-reviewed status. This ensures that the sources you find meet your assignment criteria. Peer-reviewed articles are reviewed by experts before publication, making them reliable for academic work. When you find useful articles, many databases provide full-text access. This means you can read the entire article, not just a summary or citation. Take advantage of built-in tools like citation generators to help you correctly cite your sources and avoid plagiarism. If you are trying to access these databases from off-campus, you may need to set up remote access through a virtual private network or proxy provided by your library. Using library databases is essential for an effective study routine. They provide accurate and trustworthy information that supports your research projects and assignments. Learning to navigate these resources efficiently improves your ability to gather quality evidence and write well-informed papers. If you encounter any difficulties, most libraries offer research guides, tutorials, and librarian support to help you master database searching.